Hello friends, once again welcome back to your big guy channel, and you are watching, yes, of course, your big guy channel. Today I would like to talk about a very interesting topic of convert. Means how you can convert some years to days, meters to inches to feet, degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So how does it work? Alright, so first let me make it zoom 100%. It was way too much. Okay, let's go. So you have here you have years, meter, feet, some, and the degree Celsius temperature. So I'm going to change it to from meter to inches first. So very basic, you need to apply a convert formula. Okay, so equals convert, anything formula starts with equals. Press tab, you will see the formula here. Number, first you need to type number. You can type or you can select. Okay, this number if you need to change. And from unit, which unit you need to change from meter. So you need to select here meter, double click, comma, you need to change it to inches, double click on inches, bracket close, press enter, and then drag it down like that way. Okay, now let's go to next, feet to inches. If the data is in feet and you need to change it to inches. Okay, so here you type equals convert and select that number, comma, you need to look for feet here. Okay, it's here, double click, comma, you need to change it to inches, double click here, bracket close, press enter, and drag it down. That is fair enough. Now you need to change to degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. So in that way, same is convert formula in CONVERT. Right, take the degree, comma, you need to look for degree Celsius. So the degree Celsius is here, comma, you need to change it to Fahrenheit. So this is how the formula will look like. Press enter, it has changed. You can drag it down. Now the last one is you need to change year to days, equals convert, same formula. You need to select here, formula you can see here in the formula bar, comma, you need to look for year in this, year, WYR, comma, you need to change it to days, double click here, bracket close, formula is here, you can see it, press enter. So 1 year is 365 days. Now you can drag it down and leave it. This is how it is. Alright, so hope you like the video and you have understood something from this. If you get it, please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, this degree symbol, how it comes, is a bonus trick. Okay, so for that you need to type a formula called char, CHAR. What it says, number, there's a number 176 which you need to type here. Press enter, the degree symbol will appear like this for degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. All right, so see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.